Hey guys, Norm with Mobile Glass here. We're working on a F-150. This is going to be a windshield chip repair. We're in North Austin, 78717, and you can see right here what we're looking at. Get that to focus better. So we're going to get started. This should be pretty easy to fill. You can see the impact point. We'll go right through there, no drilling. Be back in a second here and show you step 2. All right, you can see, so I don't scratch the side of the gentleman's vehicle, I have this nice blanket here, and I've cleaned the windshield in the area we're working on it and put the mirror there. So at this point, we should be good to go. I'm gonna show you my tools here. This is what you call a combination chip there. That's a star break, and it's a little cloudy. So what we're gonna use on this, we're gonna go right into filling it with resin using this bridge assembly. And my resin, got some resin right here, and we'll use this pick right before we get ready to inject, and I'll clean out that area right where the impact point was, and we'll get started. I'll be right back showing you that. Okay, so I have the bridge assembly on here, and you can see it's lined up right over where the impact point was. This is the plunger that's going to force the resin in, and then right here I have my resin. We're going to use this resin here, Diamond. So I'll be right back after we get it set up. All right, now I'm going to see if I can catch the repair, the actual resin filling in that crack right there in the act, in its natural state, like the crocodile hunter for windshield repair. If I can get this thing to focus, there we go. So I am injecting the resin now, and we should be able to notice some diminishing of the crack in that damaged area just below. We can stay focused.
I've already packed it up.
No problem. Oh, see, we're missing the good stuff. There we go. And it is filling. This is a good part if you want to check out the screen. Oh no, you're good. You're good. It's actually, you can start to see that white crack. It'll start to disappear as the stuff flows in there. See how it's just that big? Here, I'll take this. We'll be back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes or so. I've let the resin flow, and you can see that a lot of that damage has pretty much diminished the appearance of the crack. The cracks never disappear. They're not going to go away, but it definitely has filled it in all the way to the end. Very significant amount of resin has filled the entire crack, well, multiple cracks coming from that impact point. So give it a little bit of time. I'm going to put a UV light on it here, sort of like a black light you see in a nightclub. I'll put that on, give it about 5 minutes or so, and we'll check back. All right, now I've used what we call a little bit of pit filler right here. Man, that didn't focus well, did it? Where is the pit filler? There we go. Trying over here. All right, you used a pit filler right on that spot where the rock initially impacted the windshield, and that piece of Mylar film covers it. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make that spot, that imperfection in the surface of the glass, nice and smooth with the windshield. Now I'll show you when I let that harden, the UV lights making the resin harden. When I take that off of there and I clean it up, make it nice and smooth, it's going to be white. So the resin's not clear like the windshield. So that spot that was impacted where the resin's filling in, it's going to have a little white circle. Usually that's kind of where people will stop. Like I said, Mobile Glass, we do high quality work. So what I'm going to use is a local company, Equalizer, right here in Round Rock. They have some pit polish. So I'm going to use this right on that spot, which is going to polish it up and make it clear. Not perfect, but a lot closer to the clarity of the windshield itself, the glass. So I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, we've cleaned up that pit resin. You can see Little bits of white stuff there. That's after I scraped it off the windshield, made it nice and smooth. And you can sort of tell it's a little bit white, a little bit frosty. And I'm going to use this pit resin. We're going to get it sparkling up here. So let's see. Got it right there on a little piece of paper towel. Just rub that in there. Just like waxing a car. Just kind of rub that in there. Let it dry for a second. And let's clean it off. All right. See how it looks. And now it's repaired. Obviously, you can still see damage. There's some damage where the glass was broken, but it is filled in and is much less visible. And it's not going to grow, so the windshield's saved. Again, this is Mobile Glass. Hope you enjoyed listening to my ramblings. Thank you. Just give us a call if you guys need windshield repair or, of course, replacement. We do replacements as well all around Austin. Thank you.